So, um,
FM, welcome to the demo day of your Hackathon 2.0. We have shortlisted top 5 teams and we are presenting this demo day. So let's start with Shahil for his project Crickbell. Sahil, you can go ahead.
yeah. So, hi, hello everyone. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to present my like project. So, just a small introduction. I'm Sahil Jaiman. I'm currently a third year BTech student from Noida. So recently, 2 to 3 weeks before, I've just built a project on Tezos blockchain, CrickPad. It is a secure and decentralized cricket betting platform. Like it is the first sports betting platform that is built on Tezos blockchain, and it has also been recognized by the Tezos Foundation also. Uh, so I think now I should present the demo.
Yeah,
Also, the link is live, but currently I'm using the localhost version. So here is a landing page. Here's some information related why you should do cricket betting on like Web3 using smart contracts and blockchain. Like here are some advantages. Like through smart contract we can automate the betting, so everything can be automated, like resolving of the bet, like ensuring the fairness and the transparency of the payouts. Also the platform is like very easy to use, like it has very simple UI, and it is also a responsive site, and it also have like multiple themes you can choose from, like whatever you like, light, dark, or maybe some colorful themes. Now secondly, here is a matches tab, and it has like three sub tabs. The first one is series info tab. From here, like you can get information about the like past or the future cricket series which is happening. So currently in India, like IPL is going on. So from here, I can like load the previous series and I can find IPL somewhere down there. Okay, here Indian Premier League. So if I want to see every match information, I can like click on series details button, and it will now show all the matches, venue, status, and the date they are happening. So all of this is fetched from the live cricket API. I think my voice is like audible.
yeah, it's good.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So like everything is fetched live. So whenever you refresh, like everything is like fetched live from the API. So now here you can see add button. So I will show you the like significance of this add button. So the admin, I'm currently using my admin account. So the admin can add any of these match to the event list from where the batters can bet on the matches. So if I want to add a match, like maybe some match which is not started yet, maybe LSG versus Mumbai Indians, I can add it to the event list. Okay, so the match is successfully added to the event list. So now, where to view the event list? You can view the live events, the events from which you can bet. Can be viewed from this tab. So here are all the live events from like through which you can bet on them. So currently, I think I added this match, uh, LSG versus Mumbai Indians. So it is showing here, and it is sorted according to the time the match is being started. From this tab only, you can like choose the team and bet on the team. So as I am currently on my admin account, I need to switch because admin cannot bet. So let's try betting. So I can select any of the team. I can confirm my transaction, and my bet is being placed successfully. Now, when I will refresh the page, it will show here the total number of bets will be increased by one. Here. Now, if I want to see all the like bets I have done, so I can view it from my dashboard. So here it will show all the matches, my bets, the team which I have betted on, and the event ID. And here are the stats, like the total matches I have betted on, the bets won, and the total win. And the last tab is live matches. So from here you can view the score of all the live matches currently happening. So currently I think there is a match of Chennai and Kolkata. So here it is like fetching the live data and it's showing here. So all of this is made up by Scratch. And here it is, there is a small guide how to use ClickBet for betting. That's it.
Thank you, Shahil, for the amazing presentation. Yeah.
So like if you have any question related to the project, like there are many future upgradations to it. Like one of them is like adding in-game currency, like a token, maybe something I can call it a crix. So you don't need to like use Tezos or STJ tokens. You can use crix tokens to bet. So that will be more easy. Just like every game has in-game currency. And second thing I can add is like giving winners NFT.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Yeah.
All the best for the future updates as well.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's move to the next one. The next project was peer-to-peer electricity transfer. And Arpit, you can present your project.
Hey, is Shayu in the uh, session also? Because she is ready to present the demo.
Yeah, there is only you from the team. And
And
yeah,
just give me a minute, I will check on her
yeah, sure.
because she is ready with all the things. So that's why.
Okay. You can join from the link I shared you.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Sure.
Hey, sorry for the delay, but Sharayu is just joining. She got the link.
Yeah, still haven't joined. So yeah, you can go ahead. Otherwise, you can present your project for the next one. I will uh, give the slot to another project. You can join like 10 minutes later if you need time.
Yeah, sure. That would be good for us.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm, thanks.
So next project is Decentra World. And Apurva, you can present your screen.
Okay, so is it just you or there are other like jury members too?
Yeah, it's just me, Apurva. You can go ahead.
Okay, so let me present the screen now. Is this screen visible?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so this is the Decentra world, basically the decentralized India. This was built on a concept like I was trying to make much like a 3D world. There is one personal portfolio website of a developer. He had made this using 3GS and everything. I tried to make it likewise, but I couldn't. I mean, I failed to do it. So I made this static website. This is basically concept of having everything around us decentralized rather than being dependent upon a central domain system. Like for voting, we rely upon the this voting centers, and for FIR, we rely upon paperwork from police. Like we blindly follow everything that considering that it will be right for lottery game. Like lottery is just an example. For any gaming system, we rely upon that particular website. Same goes for crowdfunding, and for much real world experience, I added two more this smart contracts. One for Drive. We know that for Drive we need to rely upon Google Docs. I mean Google Drive, their centralized system, and Twitter. As we know, this Twitter could be considered as much recent example. We know that Elon Musk removed the blue tick. Like he owns the company, so he made the decisions and like remove the blue tick, and one who wants should pay for it. So rather than being dependent upon such central authority to control everything around us, I focused on making a project in which I can depict better future which could be made using smart contracts. So these are all available on Replit. If we run it, this Replit screen is also visible, right? The link that I followed.
No, it has. I can see the just uh, your website screen. I can't see your reflect screen.
Okay, let me switch this screening. So in the end, I had this decentralized. Uh, I mean, for example, we have this decentralized coffee, buy me a coffee system. Like, if you like my project, you can buy a coffee for me. It's perfectly runnable. I for testing purpose, I had already deployed on the Ethereum Goerli network, but it's simple. Like you can deploy it using MetaMask. See it. This is the gas fees and everything. Just wait for a moment. It's deploying. Yeah, so it is deployed, and I can see the share screen. Screen is being shared. Okay, presentation is stopped. So now it's visible, right? Again.
Yes.
So this is buy me a coffee, a simple smart contract. I'm starting with a simple smart contract to show. Then I'll be switching to voting as well as FIR system. Everything I'll be showing, but that I'll be showing on Remix because I don't have multiple accounts in my MetaMask to function easily with those smart contracts. Whereas this one can be done using a single account too. So I write my name, a message, and the amount I wish to pay. And I simply run it. MetaMask is open, gets open. I confirm and I get this transaction hash. So this was just a simple demonstration of smart contract of, I mean, how you can, switch from my website to that particular account. Now I'll be showing you these all, these all smart contract that are implementable in the real world through Remix ID. So these are all the smart contracts that I made for FIR, for voting system, and all these are deployed in Replit and connected in my website Decentraworld. So let's say you want to vote. I mean, you as a user of this website, you wanna deploy a voting contract, and deploying a voting contract in real world for like for a common man, this thing can be considered in a whole as he is living in a system where if he wants to start an election, he doesn't need to rely upon a central authority, government body or anything. He can do it through smart contract to build transparent system. So that's the thing with this voting and even other smart contracts. This is the code for it. Let's say we want to have election for anything. I mean, so this is the contract deployed, and this wallet is the manager. According to my smart contract, first we need to register the candidates, which only manager can do, and then whitelist the addresses. Now, whitelisting addresses would mean you might be aware that in our country or in any country there is certain eligibility criteria to be a voter. So, like those voters who are those people or those wallet addresses who are eligible to vote will be whitelisted. They can contribute to this voting system. So let's first register the candidates. And again, this registration can only be done by the manager. Here it asks for name, age, and candidate address. First candidate is registered, and that you can see by that you can see here in the candidate list. We are constrained by time, so I'll be just registering two candidates. I mean, for this voting system, and three voters. So we have registered two candidates, two competitors. And now let's select the voters, those who can vote. And again, this can also be done just by the manager. If we try to do it by anyone else, like for example, the voter wishes to whitelist himself, it will show an error. only owner can whitelist the addresses. So we again switch back to owner account. I'm whitelisting three addresses. I mean, three people can vote. So we are done with candidate registration and who can vote, like whitelisting the addresses. Now the manager needs to start this polling, and then those addresses who were whitelisted can cast their vote onto addresses of their choice. Now voting is done, so we stop it and we clearly get the winner, the person I casted a vote for. So this was simply just for voting. Similarly, as I shown here, this website consists of many such smart contracts that are required in that are useful in the real world. For example, the FIR system for registering any complaint. In gaming, I have currently just added a lottery deck. Further, I plan on, like, as and when I learn new things, I'll be planning on adding more. If you have any sort of ideas, you wish to get funded, this is for crowdfunding. And as explained, this is for Twitter and Drive. So basically, the website Decentraworld, all in all, stands for its name. I mean, I tried to make it such that it stands for its name, a world wherein you don't need to rely upon a central authority.
Great
So yeah,
presentation, Apurva. Yeah.
sorry.
So, yeah, great presentation, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's move to the next one. So, the next one was peer-to-peer electricity transfer. And Saray, you can share your screen.
Sure. Hey, hi, good evening. Just share my screen.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, yeah, is this visible?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so concept behind this P2P electricity transfer is basically we are assuming that we are having the smart grid in the whole area, and then we want to transfer electricity between the between our peers. Let's say in the local area. What the system? What is the system now? Is that we buy the electricity from the government exchanges, and government set the prices for the same. We buy the electricity from the power plant and through the government only. So main objective behind this project is to that we will be able to transfer electricity between the peers, so that we can set the electricity prices and we can bid on the electricity, and so we could get the electricity for the cheap than what the government provides. So this is basically the home page for the electricity exchange. And suppose these are all the electricity units and the prices which are added by the producers of the electricity. Let's say if I'm having the solar panel at my house, then um, I can add the electricity. Like, let's say I'm not using it and it will just go waste. Then I can add the electricity into the portal, and the buyers can buy the electricity from this portal, saying that which price they can afford and all those things. So basically, if I go to my portal, this is deployed on the Mumbai mainnet. So suppose I add, and it's in Matic. So I'm just adding one Matic, and lock-in period is like you have to buy before that period. Just submit it. And once I go back, I can see that this is the new transaction which has been added. Like units available. Oh, just a minute. Guess. Yeah, this one. The units available 12 and the price is 1 Matic. So this is the whole idea. And the thing is, like we were making some changes. So here it would be like visible that the price and all the electricity you have purchased till the date. And this is the basically the prosumer concept, that you are the consumer of the electricity as well as you are the producer of the electricity. So here you would be able to see all the purchase you have made and all the sale you have made in case you have. So we have this remix contract here. So we have made some changes. So we'll be showing just this on the remix. Once I add the listing, or let's say I'm adding this 2 units and the price and the lock-in period. So this has been added. 2 units, price per unit, and the listing period. And to buy the unit, I have to add the listing ID and the number of units I want to purchase. So I'll be just adding the whole two. I will click on buy units. So this has been bought. And once I go to this, oh, sorry, I'll just change, just redeploy it. Just a minute. Just add 5 units and maybe price per unit 1 and then listing period. Once I change the buyer, able to buy it, take for 1. Let's say I'm just buying 2 units. So I'm just checking the listing ID for listing ID 1. And the buyer address, just copy it. This is units we have bought, that is 2, and everything would be visible. And here, this is get all listing function to show all the things, to show all the energy listing on this home page. Oh yeah, Arpit, you have anything to say? Do you have any queries?
Oh, um, thank you, Sharif, for the presentation. And moving to the next one, uh, team open circuit. Kalpit,
Hello,
you can share your screen. Yeah,
am I audible?
yeah.
Just a sec. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
So, the Open Circle is a decentralized social media platform built on Polygon, Shardium, and Ethereum. Uh, these three chains, and we have used IPFS to store our data. So Open Circle, this is the home page of Open Circle, and on home page we show only the users who the only the users which I or the current user is following. The explore page contains entire data, all the posts which are available on Open Circle. Like if I follow this user, it will take time to confirm the transaction. As soon as the transaction is completed, we will see that the screen refreshes. Hmm. As you can see, the screen refreshed, and in our home page, it is available that planet. We are following Anime Planet. We can also see the likes, like count, and the likes who has liked our post. We can also like and like the post. Apart from that, uh, we can follow the use new we can follow, we can like, we can unfollow. These are some uh, users which are using Open Circle. We also have alerts where we can see the notifications and we can clear them also. So the main goal of social media platform is to create a post. Let's simultaneously create a post. Until then, the transaction is being approved. Sorry. And by clicking on post, the image is stored on IPFS, and we have to just confirm the transaction and the post will be created. Apart from that, as you can see, the post is created, and in explore page we can see the post is created and it was created 0 seconds ago. We can see whosoever has liked, who has liked the post. There is a profile page where we can see who all are our followers are following, and we can edit our profile page or profile, like we can change the profile image of our. Apart from that, we can change the username, and we can also change the bio. So this was open. This is the currently Open Circle has all these features. We are trying to upgrade it and add the comment section, and we are working on giving the recommendation rather than just showing the entire post, the complete post, and we can also change the chain on which we want to try, like the complete demo I showed on Polygon, but we can use Shardium also. This was my demo for Open Circle. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Kalvi. So thank you all the guys for joining the demo day. Voting for the top three projects will begin tomorrow in our Discord server. The voting will last for a week. Later, we will select the top two winners from those, and we will announce the final winners on May 22nd. The winners will be awarded with the previous studio swag box. So, all the best, guys.